How to print LastPass passwords. So what we need to do is we need to export our LastPass Vault as a CSV file. And to do that, you just simply need to log into your LastPass account, then go to the website. And once you're here, you just simply need to navigate to the left sidebar, then click on Advanced Options. And there's an option there to export your passwords. So just simply click on that and it will send you an email. So you just simply need to open up the email that you have used for login here on LastPass. So the email should look like this. So you simply need to click on continue export and it will bring you here on another website. Then it says that the export has been verified. So you could now exit out of this. And now go back to your LastPass Vault. Then go to advanced options again. Then click on export again. And you just simply need to enter your master password. Then click on submit. And the CSV file will be automatically downloaded. Now once you have downloaded your CSV file, you can now open it up. So I already have mine opened right here. And to print it, you just simply need to open it using like Microsoft Excel. But if you don't have an Excel application, you can just simply go to Google and use Google Spreadsheets. It works the same. So you just simply need to navigate to the file section right here on the top left. And as you can see, there's an option right here on the left side, which says print. Now you just simply need to configure the settings right here and you're good to go. And that is how you basically print your LastPass passwords.